Hello everyone. In this video, I will be talking about how can we make an API call specifically with post request. So let's go to VS Code. So this time as an example, I am taking Azure Computer Vision API, which analyzes the image and then returns the response. So you need to provide certain parameters like what all things you are interested in, what all things you want to analyze, and then you need to provide image as an input parameter along with some header information. So let's have a quick look at it. So the very first thing we need is we need to import the module requests, and once this is done, then we need to prepare all the input which are required to make an post call. So the very first thing is the endpoint, which is the URL where we are going to hit in order to get the response. And then we need to mention the key. So as I said, we are dealing with the Azure Computer Vision. So for that, I went to my Azure portal, and here I searched for the computer vision and created the resource. So how to create this resource, this information you can get it on the documentation itself if you will search for computer vision. And once you will go there, you will get the keys and the endpoints generated. So basically I picked these two things from here. So this is the endpoint and this is the key. Then coming on to the parameters, so I'm interested only in the color. So whatever image I'm taking, I just want to see whether it is having certain background or not. Then I take an image as an input, so I can quickly show you. So this is the image I'm taking as an input. So here I'm reading this image and just storing the binary content into image data variable. Next comes the header preparation. So for header, we need to supply what is the content type and what is the key. So key is the same which we grabbed it from our Azure portal, and with all these four information, we generated we made a post call. So endpoint is our first parameter, then we need to supply the headers, then parameters, and then the input, which is our image in binary format. So once this is done, we will make a post call, and here we got the response. So this line is saying if in case of errors, just throw an exception. If there is no error, then this line will not do anything at all. Then comes the JSON results. So let's try to execute this and see how it works. So in the terminal, you can see that this is the response which we received from the API. So API is saying color this, all these things, and then it is giving some metadata at the end with the image height and width along with the image format. Now if you will look at this output closely, it is in the form of like dictionary. So if you want to extract just the color information, you can go ahead and do it. If you want only the background image information, you can simply go ahead and do it. So I will quickly uncomment this line and show you how we can do this. So I'm interested whether the image is black and white or not. So what can I do? This is the color, and inside color I am having this nested property which is BW image. So I'm just putting it like that and trying to get it printed. So if you will see here, it is giving me false, which means that the color background color of the image is not black and white. So this is how you can make a call. So the only information which you need and the point you need to take care is what all the parameters that post is expecting. So first is definitely going to be your URL or the endpoint where you are going to hit the request. Then you need to prepare the headers. So what all headers are required, it completely vary based on the API you are using or the API you are making a call. Then these are the parameters. So if that API is expecting any parameters or not, and this is my input. So data which will represent the input. So just doing this one line will make everything for you. And I hope you enjoyed this video and keep watching. Thank you.